Want to know how to fix your controls keep on resetting in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application and head towards settings. So that's be under this arrow icon right here, and then select settings right here. Now, once you are under settings, you make sure you go under customize buttons and then select customize right here. Now once you're there, here under layout 1, make sure your correct layout has been selected. If not, you can just simply use this. So these are usually saved in clouds, make sure to save it as well. Now if you just simply directly exit or click this button right here, don't do it. You can just simply select save, this yellow bright icon. Once you selected save, your controls should not reset and it should be automatically saved. So if it still doesn't work, you can just simply restart your game. And if that doesn't work too, just simply clear out your cache. So just hold down the PUBG Mobile application and then select clear data on the bottom right side right here, and then select clear cache. Select OK and any junk files should be removed. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.